start with, in your App Store or Google Play Store, download Xiaomi Home app. So, ito yung logo niya. Start download. Once downloaded na siya, open the application, then agree, send allow lang. Then, for initial setup, we need to allow lang muna yung lahat ng permission para madali natin siya magamit. Then, we can disable it na lang after we configure our devices. So, always allow, or pwedeng only using our, during we are using the app, and access home data. Okay, so after you complete the download of the app, we will now register. So create an account, select create an account, select the country, select Philippines, enter your phone number, and type get verification code. And then you will receive an SMS, a text message. Yun. Okay. 032111. Enter the code. Okay. On. Next. Then, yan. You'll set the password. Next, may password na. Alright. Then, we're good to go. Pwede na tayo bumalik sa app. And try. You can now log in. Gamit yung phone number. There you go. Here's the first look after you register. So, check nyo sa profile nyo. Meron na kayong ID code dito. That's your code. And then, that's it. That's how you register. And then, sa next video, tuturuan naman ko naman kayo kung paano mag-add ng mga devices dito. Alright, thank you!